Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel abhinavtech. This is my second video on my YouTube channel, and in my first video I told you that how can you control your PC with the help of your Android phone. It was a helpful video and there were several mistakes which I am going to improve in my upcoming videos. So always watch my videos till end, otherwise you will not be able to understand what I mean to say. So before starting our next topic, some of you guys were thinking that first I have recorded the video, then I have added sound to it. But I have recorded my audio and sound at the same time. This technique is known as wireless microphone. I'm using here my phone's microphone to access it to my computer. You can use it on Skype, on Google Duo, or any app which support microphone. So first of all you need to install your mic in your Android phone and mic client version in your Windows. I think I need to first go to mobile settings to set up your mic. So let's move on to our mobile screen. So let's go. So guys, we are on our phone in screen, and the first step we need to do is that we need to install mic from Play Store. After installing it, you will need to open it. After opening, you have to click here on the three dots and then settings. Here you can see various options. You have to select here transport. You can see four options. First one is Bluetooth. It refers to your connectivity, by which medium you want to connect. So if you don't have a Wi-Fi network, you can choose Bluetooth or USB. So I am using here USB. Remember that in your settings you will need to allow USB dubbing, then only it will work. After opening, you have to click it here, then it started, and on the PC you need to connect it by USB. So I'm going to show you how to connect it by your data cable. So let's move to on our PC screen. So guys, we are on our PC screen. Now the first step we have to do is we need to install my client version of Windows from the Chrome. After installing, you will need to open it. You will see the interface like this. Then you have to click on connection, then connect. Same option you selected here that we have selected on our phone. So we have selected USB, here also USB, and then press on connect. It takes some time and then it is connected. You can also use this option play in speaker to play in the speaker what you are speaking. So I show you this with the help of USB. You can also do it with the help of Wi-Fi direct, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. I think I need to show you that how can you connect it by Wi-Fi direct, because it is not that simple. So I will now show you at how you connect via Wi-Fi direct option. So again we need to go to our phone screen and then select Wi-Fi direct option. In the Wi-Fi direct option, you should enable your hotspot and then connect it with your desktop screen. After connecting, you need to again go to our PC screen and then connect it with Wi-Fi direct. Here this 192 IP address should be same as on your PC, and then you need to press here connect. But it will get connected and you can use it in the web browser or Skype or any other app which support your microphone. So this is my video on Womic. If you understand it, then please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.